Good morning. Wednesday, June 7th. This is Jim Barrett from RJO Futures in Chicago. All right, we've entered the third day of the correction in notes and bonds as prices after last Friday's unemployment number got to unattractive levels on a long-term basis. That piercing the 250, piercing the 150. Enough was enough. Only momentum buyers at that point, and the market has done a good job in hurting them. We've actually printed underneath the lows just before the unemployment number was released on Friday, so everybody chasing that number has been severely tested. I imagine some of them are out. This is in spite of continuing bullish news, that should drive yields lower, at least hold yields at historical lows. Spanish banks need money desperately. Greece running out of money. The German industrial numbers were weak overnight. Et cetera, et cetera. Article in the Wall Street Journal this morning about how the Fed's going to have very animated discussions now, given the weakening economic numbers, about what to do June 20th as far as a QE3 thing. Anyways, the unattractive levels on a long-term basis, long-term buyers, I guess, went on a bit of a strike, and here we are. Back down to the 150 level in the bonds, and back down to close to 133 in the notes. Support comes in soon. 167, 168, which was the old extreme low, ought to be support in the notes. Technically speaking, the recent leg up, the latest leg up in the bonds, we basically retraced 50% of that level this morning with the 150.01 print. So on a 3-day pullback, maybe some longer-term buyers are starting to nibble, and the market may find some support finally this week. Stocks are up, I know, up pretty strong today. A lot of the risk on stuff is going on. The Aussie dollar is up huge. Silver and gold have followed through on the big upticks they had last week. However, 3 days of pullback in the notes and bonds, I think, should be enough to stabilize things here. It may be quite some time before we, put the band back together and really start screaming up again. I don't look for that. I mean, I look for a trading range to be established with prices maybe slightly lower than the lows we've established today, but not that far away. Anyways, I can be reached at 800-500-2461. Please give me a holler. And remember, there's a risk of loss in commodity futures trading. It's certainly not for everyone. Have a great trading day. Thank you.